Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Salma Aslam. Today we are going to discuss about quantifiers. So what is a quantifier? Quantifier basically expresses the quantity of noun, either it's countable noun or uncountable noun. So students, there are few quantifiers which are used with uncountable noun and there are few quantifiers which are used with countable noun. First of all, I am going to tell you about uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is a noun which is not possible to count, as like rice, grains, water, milk, and etc. etc. So students, we use much, little, a little with uncountable noun, but these quantifiers are used before noun, as like, first of all, let me tell you the difference between these three quantifiers. Much is used for a large quantity, but for uncountable noun. Little is small, alright? Little is small. While a little is used for a center quantity, as like, neither it's too large nor it's too small, it's middle. As like, I am going to give you an example of this. Do you eat much rice? No, I eat little rice. So students, hope so it's clear to you. Now we are talking about countable noun and the quantifier which are used with countable noun. Students, countable noun is the noun which is countable, as like one book, 2 cakes, 12 eggs, 3 rooms. These are countable noun. So we use many, few, a few with these countable nouns. But we use this quantifier before the noun. So first of all, let me tell you about the difference between these three quantifiers. Many is used for large number or large quantity. Few is used for small quantity or small number. A few is used for center. Neither quantity is very low nor quantity is very high or very large. Alright students, I am going to give you example of this. Do you know many people here? No, I don't know many. I know few people here. So students, these were the quantifiers used with countable and uncountable noun. Students, I hope now you are able to identify the quantifiers which are going to used with countable noun and which are going to used with uncountable noun, and I hope so you have learned about countable and uncountable nouns as well, and I hope you will be able to do your work very good after this audio lecture. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos, for more lectures, and I am going to write few examples. You have to do them as your assignments and kindly answer me below in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.